Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is Whirlpool brand commercial type dryer machine. This is a ventilation dryer machine. This machine actually having problem. It's not working totally. That means machine is dead, not working at all. Because of that I'm going to repair this machine. First of all I will show you the problem, because after giving power it's not working. After that only we have to troubleshoot the problem. What is the exact problem? We have to remove the machine. Anyway, before that I will show you the problem. We will go to the next step. Now I already given power connection. I'm selecting here time dry, also here temperature high, and now I will start the machine. You can see, dear friends, this push button is not working. That means machine not working actually. First of all we have to check this push button. Also we have to check the selector switch, and after that we have to check the here door switch. Also we have to check the idle pulley. With the idle pulley having one switch, also power switch. That all we have to check. First we will remove the machine and we will check. After that we can identify. We have to remove the filter here first. This one also too much lint here. It's too much actually. It is already got blocked with the lint. Here is like that. See, it should be clean. Now we have to remove this part, the panel front back side. I have to remove all the screws are here. Now I already remove. Now we can check here. It is 230 supply. Here also too much dust actually. The push button we have to check. This look like actually no problem, but anyway we will check with the multimeter. Now dear friends, I given again power connection. We can check here whether power supply. You can see here. You can see here it is power already supplying. Also we can check here 230 power coming or not. This one you can see this synchronized motor. It should work. You can see here. This one is running. Motor is working. Mean actually it is 230 power already coming. You can see here this 230. You can see here this 230 power supplying to the machine. That means power already supplying. That means here any problem with this, the push button also okay. You can see here it's supplying power. Now we have to remove anyway. After that only we can find out. We will remove the drum side. After that we can identify. We have to remove this too. After that we can list up and we will go to the next step. Now first we will remove these two screws. We have to unscrew this nut, two nuts. It is number 8. Yes, it is okay. After that we have to remove these two screws. Remove these two screws. Now it's okay. This is the first time actually we are removing here. You can see this sticker we have to remove. Also this side also. Now we can list up here. Now we have to remove like that. These two locks. Here also same. Now it will come like that. Now we can lift up here. It's very easy. Now here lock. Now we can take it up like that. You can see, dear friends. Now we will keep it here. That. Now we have to check this door lock, door switch. I'm going to remove the door switch here. Here lock, it will come like that, easy. Now what I'm going to do, I will give direct here bypass with the wire, and we will check with the power again. Yes, dear friends, now I'm giving here direct power. I'm bypassing door switch connector, and I'm keeping like that. Also I will give the power again. I already given power, and I'm checking again. Now I already given power. Also I can keep the door open also, because I already here bypass. That means it's given direct current. Now I already given power connection. Now I will start the machine here. Yes dear, the problem with the door switch, before removing all the things we have to go step by step. Now problem with the door switch, and we will replace this one. After that our problem will get resolved. Now already found the problem. What is the problem exactly? It's problem with the door switch only. Nothing to worry, any other no need to remove. Machine is running well, perfectly. Now I will remove the door switch here. And I will shut down the machine again. Also I can remove this one. Yes. Anyway, I will shut down the power, switch off. It's too much hot actually. It's working fine. Now you can see, dear friends, here 2 screws we can remove. I already removed. This one is not working. You can see here it's already broken. That means defect. The inside micro switch is not working. Now dear friends, I'm going to replace the door switch, new one. This one you can see here, it should work like that, but this one not working like that. You can see here, this one is not like that, it's not working. That means it is internally having inside having the micro switch already got damage. We can repair also, but I having new door switch. Because of that, now I'm going to replace this one. As same before, I have to fix. I will fix this one. We have to fix like this way. You can see here. Fix 2 screws. This way should be. This way we have to fix. Now we have to fix these 2 screws. Now it's okay here. Now I will give the connection again here. It will come like that. Now I will close the door again. I will give the power connection. Now definitely should work actually. I already given power connection. Now I will press again. Yes, dear friends. Now my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. I have to fix as said before. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.